I feel stupid. Just kidding. Today, I don't know why, anytime I have foundation on and I'm filming, my nose itches. It's like the craziest thing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is definitely a different style of video that I normally do. Yeah, I mean, you read the title, you know what you clicked on. So this is a clean with me video. Now, I didn't know these existed. What's going on with my hair right now? I didn't know that these existed until Rach Loves posted one, and she was cleaning like her bathroom, and literally like she wasn't even talking during it. She just sped it up and put some music in there, and I didn't think that I would enjoy these videos until I watched hers. And turns out I do. It's just really relaxing, and I definitely see the appeal to watching them, so I wanted to do one with you, and I needed to clean my beauty room, so it was like a nice little twofer, and I did some nice spring cleaning. It definitely feels a lot better. Oh, the background behind me is different. Do you like it? I think it's really cute. There's some more stuff up there. Ignore my ugly face in the corner. But, no. But yeah, I definitely think it was a really cute video, and I was really, you know, like, happy after I watched hers, and, relaxed. It's kind of like, so I'm into zit popping videos, and that's really relaxing and it helps me fall asleep. So clean with me videos are just the same. So I wanted to maybe bring some of that peace to one or some of you, or any others, like, come on now. And yeah, I thought that would be really fun. Also, a little side note, we have some housekeeping business to do. No pun intended. I really want to do something for Earth Day, and I want to challenge you guys to do something for Earth Day. So what I want, and what I'm going to ask you guys to do, is one day between now and, like, I'm looking at a calendar. So from now until the 21st, I'm challenging each and every one of you to go out into your, you know, local area, maybe a place that is just completely littered, and pick up the trash. And what I'm asking in return is, I mean, like, I'm asking a lot, but I'm asking you to help the earth, and share that with me. So what I want to do, and what my, like, grand scheme of things in my head is, you and myself all go out from now until the 21st and clean up our earth, our Mother Nature, make it really nice and clean. I drive by things all the day where people are just throwing their trash out, and it's just compiling, and it just makes me so sad, and that is not good for the earth or anything. So I thought it would be something really nice, like we should do it all the time. But Earth Day is coming up. It is the 22nd, and so I thought it would be really cool if I challenged each and every one of you to go out and make an impact. And no matter if one, myself, or 5 or 50 or 200 of us do this, whatever it is, you know, whatever the whatever the number amount is, I think that's a really good way to impact the world and impact the earth. So what I'm going to also ask is that you send me, like, a video or a photo, just kind of, you know, like, documenting your time. Like, maybe you and a group of friends just go out and do this, and what I want to do is just kind of compile a video of all of that together, each and every one of us doing that, and putting it together and posting it on Earth Day as kind of like my ode, my recognition to Earth Day, and hello, kind of hippie. So I thought it would be a really cool idea. Also might be a total flop, I don't know, but might be really cool. And so I hope that you join me in this and making an impact and making a difference. So other than that, come and clean with me. And we can start that now. So that is everything for this video, and this room is so much cleaner. I'm so happy that it is. It definitely needed that love. Definitely needed it. So did that closet. That was nasty, and I'm sorry that I showed you that. But yeah, that is everything for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this. I'm thinking about doing this every once in a while. Please make sure that you give this a big thumbs up so I know that you do enjoy these types of videos. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss any single one of my videos, because you will if you don't have that on. Follow me on all of my social media, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!